Hello student. Now start today's class. It is class 9, chapter surface areas and volumes, exercise 13.2 part 2, question number 6 to question number 11. Okay. Now in question number 6, curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 4.4 centimeter square. CSA is 4.4 meter square as given. If the radius of the base of the cylinder is find its height. Simple, curved surface area has given. So CSA is equal to 4.4 meter square. So 2 pi RH is equal to 4.4 meter square. So 2 pi RH. All the value you put. Now H is equal to 1 meter. You calculate it is 1 meter. Okay, height is 1 meter. Next question is the inner diameter of a cylindrical well is 3.5 meter. It is 10 meter deep. Find its inner curved surface area. The cost of plastering its curved surface at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. Okay. Now first, what has given, you check it, has given diameter 3.5 meter, okay, and 10 meter deep means height has given, okay, depth has given. Now inner curved surface area's formula is inner curved surface area 2 pi RH, that is 2 into pi into R into H. How much is R? It is 7 upon 4. 7 upon 4 into 10, it is 110 meter square. Cost of plastering is rupees 40 per meter square. Okay. So it is rupees 40, multiply it with 110, that is 4,400 rupees. It is the cost of plastering. Next question is, in a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter and diameter 5 centimeter. Find the total radiating surface in the system. Radiating surface means curved surface area. Okay. Now it is curved surface area of the cylinder. Before that, a radius has given. You have to change into meter. It is 5 upon 200. It is 1 upon 40 meter, and height has given 28 meter. Now radiating surface means curved surface area 2 pi RH. Substitute the value. It is 4.4 meter square. Question number 9. Find the lateral or curved surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is 4.2 in diameter and 4.5 in height. Second part is how much steel was actually used if 1 upon 12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. Okay. Now it is the tank. For the cylindrical tank, radius has given, diameter has given, change into radius, it is 2.1 meter. Height has given 4.5 meter. Now lateral surface area or curved surface area, that is 2 pi RH. It is 2 pi R and H. Substitute 59.4 meter square. Okay. Total surface area for making the, how much steel is required. For that, total surface area is 2 pi R into R plus H. In total, you have to take this two circular part. So this formula, so 2 pi R plus H, that is coming 87.12 meter square. Okay. Now let total area of the steel, so okay, sheet used X meter square. Total area is X meter square. Then area of the steel sheet wasted, it's 1 upon 12 part. 1/12 part is wastage, means X into X, 1 upon 12, it is X upon 12 meter square. So therefore area of steel was actually used total used is x. Out of this much is wasted part. So x minus x upon 12 is equal to 87.12. That already we have got it. We have find out. So okay, it is 11 upon 12x is equal to 87.12x is equal to 95.05 meter square. Got it? Next question, question number 10. In figure, this is the figure as given. You see the frame of a lampshade. It is to be covered with a decorative cloth. The frame has a base diameter of 20 cm and a height of 30 cm. A margin of 2.5 cm is to be given for folding it over the top and bottom of the frame. Find how much cloth is required for covering the lampshade. Now see the figure. It is length is 30 cm, but 2.5 cm in bottom and 2.5 cm is top. That is for folding it. Okay. Radius is 20 upon 2. It is 10 cm. Diameter is 20. It is 10 cm. Length has given 30 and plus 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 means 2 into 2.5. So it is 30 plus 5, 35 cm. So area of cloth required is for the lampshade is 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH, it is 2200 centimeter square. Okay. Next question is question number 11 and it is the last question. It's a very easy chapter. The students of a Vidyalaya were asked to participate in a competition for making and decorating pen holders in the shape of a cylinder with a base. Okay, using cardboard. Each pen holder was to be of radius 3 cm and height 10.5 cm. Okay, the Vidyalaya was to supply the competitors with cardboards. If there were 35 competitors, how much cardboards were required to be brought for the competition? Okay. Now it is for the pen holder, radius has given 3 cm, height has given 10.5 cm. Okay. So it is 10.5 by you. If you want to remove the decimal or directly you can do it. I have removed the decimal. By 10 you have to divide it. Now it is 21 upon 2 centimeter and area of the cylindrical pen, it is base. It's okay. So it is area of base plus CSA. Okay, base is there. So area of CSA and plus base. So base is pi r square. It is the circular part. Pi r square plus 2 pi RH. Now you take common pi r from these two part. It is pi r is common, r plus 2 h. Okay. Now substitute the value here. It is coming this much. You take, no need to calculate total part, no need to calculate because we have to multiply it by 35 because 35 pen stand we have to make. Okay, pen holder we have to make. So 35 into 22 upon 7 into 3 into 24. Now here you can cancel 7 and 35. Then multiply this. So it is 7920 centimeter square. Thank you very much.